Hi, I'm Matthew Jenkinson, and in this session I'd like to tell you a little bit about Cashbooks and how to use a Cashbook in Ledger. So we start Ledger and go to the Cashbook screen. Now we select a Cashbook from the drop-down list. We've only got one at this stage. That's what's set up for us by default. And we notice these labels appear on the screen. Next to period, if we've set a period, it will show the starting or the ending date of our period, but because we don't have one set, we can see all entries in the Cashbook. Now every Cashbook is linked to a Ledger account, and where it says account balance, it is showing the balance of the Ledger account. On the left it shows the start of the period, or if there's no period set, it will always show 0. And on the right it will show the balance at the end of the period, or if there's no period set, it will show the current balance. Now the first thing we want to do is to make the balance of our Cashbook agree with the balance of the Ledger account. So to do this, we will create an opening entry in the Cashbook by clicking on the New button. We'll describe it as the opening balance, and we want it to be 1080 debit. And we set the on statement flag, click on the Save button. Now you'll notice that the balance, which shows the balance of the Cashbook, matches the Ledger account balance, and also the statement balance, which is the balance of all entries which have the on statement flag set, also matches, and that's what we like to see. Now, supposing we want to pay our power bill, we're going to write a cheque to our power company. So we click on the New button and we put in a description: cheque to power company. We'll make that 57. It's a credit to our Cashbook. And we'll choose as the other account, because we're paying our power bill, it will be electricity, and we click on the Save button. Now you'll notice that the account balance and the balance of the Cashbook both match, but the statement balance is showing something different, and that's because we haven't set this on statement flag. The reason for this is that a Cashbook is designed to allow us to reconcile each entry with a statement from our bank. So that's why we have a balance, and we also have a statement balance, which is the balance of only those entries which have the statement flag set. In other words, we could call this the reconciled balance. This is the balance that should match with what's shown on our bank statement. Now when this cheque does appear on our bank statement, what we want to do is set the statement flag, and there's two ways to do this. One way is to select it, click on Edit, put a check in the on statement box, and then save. And the other way that we can do it is just double click on the entry, and this has the effect of toggling this on statement flag on or off. Now if we wish to see the entry that was created in the general ledger, we click on the entry button, and this will take us directly to the entry screen and show us the entry. We can see there that the electricity account, which is an expense account, has been debited 57, and that's the credit to the bank account, which is the ledger account that's linked to our Cashbook. And if we want to go from there to the bank account, we double click on that line in the entry, which takes us directly to the account screen, and we can see there our bank account has been updated with that entry there for the cheque to the power company.